talk to her, nothing.
Ah, it's not bright enough.
Damn.
She's ready to box. It makes you look so Asian right there.
Stop it. Oh, you lost it.
Dang it. She ready
She's showing you she ain't.
I'm gonna suck my thumb. She's biting her own thumb with no teeth.
What are you trying to do, make her go cross-eyed? She's gonna sneeze.
Bless you.
That was cute with a little fist up.
I'm gonna fall asleep. And I'm Asian.
I wish you would. Yeah, no, you got Daniel saying that now. You're the one that made out with the Asian man.
Wait up. Bless you again. Alright, I'm done recording.